Today we will be talking about lower back pain and how exercise helps. Back pain is one of the most common conditions in the world. It can cause a lot of discomfort and even limit your ability to perform daily tasks. There are several exercises that you can do to help alleviate low back pain and strengthen your core muscles. Toe touches are a common exercise for the lower back. The main problem with this exercise is that it puts strain on your lower back muscles when you're already in pain. If you're already feeling tightness or stiffness there, doing toe touches may cause further irritation or pain in those areas. There are other exercises that can strengthen your lower back without causing any damage. Squats. Squats work out all the muscles along your spine and give them a great workout while strengthening them as well. They also help to improve posture by keeping hips level while standing up straight, so this is another option for beginners who might be having trouble with their alignment during working out sessions, such as those who have recently suffered from an injury. Partial crunches is a great way to target the upper part of your abs. It's also called a kickback in some circles. Sit on the floor with your legs extended and feet planted firmly on the ground. Bend over at the waist, but don't touch it, and place both hands behind you on the floor with fingers spread apart so that they're slightly behind your head, not touching. After that, raise your torso up toward the ceiling, making sure that it does not lift off from its starting position. Just move up as far as possible without losing contact between yourself and the floor. This is what makes it a partial crunch instead of a full one. Return to starting position by lowering yourself back down until all movement has stopped, but don't let go of those fingertips. Sit-ups. When it comes to sit-ups, you have a lot of options. You can do them in a chair or lying on the floor. If you have access to an exercise ball or stability ball, those are good options as well. Hamstring stretches. Stretching helps to improve flexibility and range of motion, which can prevent injury and make exercises easier to do. Bend forward at the waist with both legs straight behind you until you feel a stretch in the backs of your thighs. You should repeat this stretching exercise 3 times per week. Leg lifts. Leg lifts are an effective exercise for strengthening your lower back muscles and increasing their endurance. They also help strengthen other muscles, including the stomach and legs. The key to doing this exercise correctly is keeping your back straight, hips down, and abs tight throughout the entire movement. Lie on your back with knees bent at 90 degrees angles and feet flat on floor about hip distance apart. You can interlace fingers behind head if it feels more comfortable. Wall sits. Wall sits are an exercise that can help strengthen the muscles in your lower back. Keep your back straight, and bend at the knees until they are at 90 degrees, the same angle as when you're sitting in a chair. Hold for 30 seconds before releasing and repeating 3 times. Press-up back extensions. Press-up back extensions are a great exercise for strengthening your lower back and core. The exercise requires you to lie on your stomach with your hands just wider than shoulder width apart, palms facing the ground. Repeat this movement 10 times. Next exercise is bird dog. You can do a bird dog by laying on the ground, keeping your feet flat on the floor and raising your arms and legs in opposite directions. Keep your core tight throughout this exercise and pay attention to your breathing. When you hold for more than 10 seconds at a time, inhale as you return to starting position. If you have lower back pain, don't push yourself too hard or too quickly. Next is the knee-to chest exercise, which is a great way to strengthen your lower back, as well as your abs. Slowly raise one foot off the ground and hold it close to your chest. You should feel a gentle stretch in your lower back area. Hold this position for 5 seconds before returning the leg down slowly into its original starting position, making sure not to arch or twist at any point during this process. You may need some assistance from another person until you get used to doing this movement by yourself. Bridging is a great exercise for the lower back. It strengthens the back muscles and stretches the spine, which helps to relieve pain in that area. If you have lower back pain, then bridging is an excellent way to help relieve some of it. Aerobic exercise. These are essential because they support your spine and help keep it strong so we don't experience back pain in our daily lives. Aerobic exercises strengthen this core while also giving us some cardio benefits along with them. We recommend trying them out if you want an extra boost. Pilates Moves. It is a style of exercise that focuses on lengthening and strengthening the body through controlled movements. There are many exercises you can do to work out the muscles in your back without causing pain or aggravating an injury. With the right exercises and a good plan, you can start feeling better today. So take a look at what causes your pain, and start living without it. Hope you enjoyed this video. See you in the next one.